Hi guys and welcome back on GSM ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to take a screenshot on Samsung Galaxy S20, and the method is the same also for S20 Plus and Ultra, so let's do it. So to do that it is very easy. We have two methods. First we'll try the easy one. To do that, just push together and hold for a second volume down and power button like this. Okay, and let's do it again. Okay, now let's go to the menu and let's do it again. So as you can see it is very easy. And the second one, just go to settings and here just scroll down and go to advanced features. Again scroll down and go to motions and gestures, and here just enable palm swipe to capture. Turn it on, and now let's exit, and to take a screenshot just swipe your palm over the screen like this. Let's do it again. It is very easy. Now let's go to the menu and let's do it again. So as you can see it is very easy, and to see the screenshots just go to the gallery, and here there are my screenshots. So I hope this tutorial to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.